In this video, let me teach you how to sign up for Venmo. Welcome back to this new video on Howgenic. If this is your first time signing up for Venmo, let me show you the exact steps that you'll need to follow. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. In order for you to sign up to Venmo, you'll need to first of all download this Venmo app onto your phone from the App Store or the Play Store depending upon your device. Once the app has been downloaded, you can just open up the app. Once you open up the app, it's going to straight away say login on the bottom, but instead of tapping on that, you just need to tap on this arrow, and here you'll have the option called sign up. Now depending upon your type, you can either create a personal, a teen account or a business account. So choose your option and then click on sign up. Firstly, Venmo works through phone numbers, so whenever you receive or transfer money on your Venmo account, you need to add in phone numbers of other people. So make sure you add in your correct phone number. Once you type in your phone number, just tap on send code, and in the next screen a code will be sent to your phone number. Just tap on the 4-digit code that has been sent and then verify the code. Once the code has been verified, in the next step, it's going to ask you to type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then create a password. Make sure you enter in your information correctly, as you'll receive email to verify your email as well as create a strong password, including numbers, letters, and special characters. In the next step, it's going to give you a few details about what Venmo is and what you can do with it. And it's going to also ask you to take a look at their fees, what they normally charge when you transfer and receive money on your Venmo. So make sure you take a look at these as well. You can scroll down, take a look at the different types of fees and charges that they apply, electronic withdrawals and sending money to people via your debit card or your bank account. Once you're done looking at all of this information, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on next. Lastly, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy of Venmo. Make sure you also read through this, and if you agree, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on I accept. Once that step is complete, you need to create a profile name so that other people can find you and send money on your Venmo account. So create a profile name that you like and make sure that it is unique and available for Venmo. Once all of that step is complete, Venmo will ask you to add in a debit or a bank card. In order for you to add money to your Venmo account, either you need to link your card or your bank account so that you can easily transfer money through and from your Venmo to your bank or your debit card or your credit card. So those are the few steps that you need to follow in order to sign up for Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to turn on the notifications as well.